Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by pinpointing the header so Excel knows what to lock. Click the first cell under the header row. That selection tells Freeze Panes where the split belongs. Once done, make sure no merged cells cross the header boundary because they break freezing. You're skipping settings and getting straight to action. This immediate selection is the key step that prepares Excel to keep your header visible while you scroll through data. You now lock the header. Open the View menu and pick Freeze Panes, or choose Freeze Top Row if the top row is the header. If your header covers multiple rows or columns, select the cell below and to the right of the header area, then choose Freeze Panes so both rows and columns remain fixed. This works because Excel creates a split at your active cell. Freezing anchors the visible header so you can always read labels as you scroll through large tables. You finish by scrolling to confirm the header stays put and then save so the freeze persists. If Freeze Panes is grayed out, make sure the workbook isn't protected or shared and remove any merged header cells. These are the usual blockers. Once fixed, reapply Freeze Panes. For printing, remember a different step. Set print titles under page layout so headers repeat on printed pages. If anything goes wrong, unmerge cells first. That solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.